Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the EBXYA XLR cable 15 feet 6-pack. This is a set of balanced DMX and microphone cables designed for connecting various audio and lighting equipment. Getting a pack of 6 cables at 15 feet each offers a lot of flexibility and value for setting up studios, stages, or just managing multiple connections. One of the key aspects highlighted is the sound quality. These cables utilize 24 EBXYA oxygen-free copper conductors, which is a standard for good signal transfer. They also feature double shielding, both foil shielding and copper-braided shielding. This combination is intended to maximize resistance to external interference, helping to ensure signal clarity and conductivity, which is crucial for maintaining hi-fi sound quality, whether connecting microphones, instruments, or other audio sources. Durability is another important factor for cables that get moved around or used frequently. The EBXYA cables are described as being more flexible and durable than some alternatives, featuring a PVC sheath that makes them easy to handle and store. The description mentions they can withstand numerous bend tests, suggesting a longer lifespan compared to less robust cables. A practical feature is that each cable in the pack has a different color connector. This makes it incredibly easy to identify and manage multiple connections quickly, which is a real time saver in complex setups. Looking at the connectors themselves, they feature a self-locking design. This means they securely click into place when inserted and are easy to release when needed, preventing accidental disconnections during use. The connectors are built with a heavy-duty zinc alloy shell and nickel-plated pins, adding to their overall durability and ensuring a reliable connection over time. In terms of compatibility, these are standard 3-pin XLR male-to-female cables. This makes them widely compatible with a vast range of equipment that uses XLR connectors. This includes microphones, audio mixers, mixing boards, speaker systems, power amplifiers, effectors, and even DMX stage lighting. The balanced design and construction are aimed at providing superior clarity, allowing the sound from instruments or vocals to flow clearly and naturally through the system. The package provides the 6 15-foot cables, and the brand emphasizes their commitment to customer satisfaction and support. Overall, this pack appears to offer a solid combination of quality construction, practical features like color connectors, and broad compatibility for various audio and lighting applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.